What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship. Hey guys, I wanted to shoot this video because I wanted to take you through the funnel that I put together here, shooting a lot of videos, talking about it, but I wanted to give you guys a quick run through of it, showing you the income streams, pretty much everything, how I got it lined up, and how you could definitely utilize it here. Now, I'm not going to go to the actual final page of everything because I want you to go through the funnel if you want to get the codes and see the training and things like that. So that's usually on the last page of everything there for you. So you definitely got to go through the funnel to get everything of it. But pretty much here, guys, I wanted to kind of, let you know here, this is what we've done. So if you're looking for a way to make money online, I put together this whole system here, and I'm going to go through step by step. So for you guys that are new, when it comes to making money online, I kind of break it all down, just kind of letting you know pretty much how everything works out. Okay, so this is going to be the capture page. This is going to be the first page. So before anybody can even view the business, go on, or anything like that to see exactly what it is, they have to enter in their email. They have to enter in their name pretty much to get to the next page here. So I'm going to take you through this here, okay? So we're going to go through it. Put my name in here. And I got it here so then that way you can actually reach out to your leads. You can call them and text them. So let's go in here. So I'm going to put my number in. And we're going to say, show me the secret. Okay. Now this is going to be income stream number 1. Okay. So we're going to break down income stream number 1. And I kind of do a quick video of everything.
What's good?
So pretty much I'm breaking down.
What's good, my beautiful people?
The whole video. So the video breaks down income stream number 1. So that's me breaking it all down on the video. And this is going to be the page that you're going to get as well. So I kind of put some proof there, some social proof. And then this is going to be income stream number 1 that you can sign up for. This particular program, you're going to have an opportunity to earn anywhere between $25 all the way up to $2,000. And this is paid instant. So this is what I mean when I say instant pay. Because with the first income stream, you're going to be able to earn direct commissions directly into your PayPal, into your account, 100% directly to you. Okay? So it just kind of breaks down income stream number 1, where I'm explaining what a sales funnel is, how this is all going to work out for you, and pretty much all the income streams to look forward to. Okay? So when you sign up for Easy One Up, then you're going to come back to the next step. Then you're going to go into income stream number 2, which is the Conversion Pros. The Conversion Pros is going to pretty much run this business from A to Z. So if you can see the business, if you can see, look at everything up here, this is the Conversion Pros. The Conversion Pros is the system. This is a residual business here, so it's residual income. So when someone also in order for them to utilize the system, they have to have the capture page, the sales follow-up series, everything there with it. Okay, so when someone enters their email, even if they don't join, you have a message follow-up series that I have created as well that's going to pretty much go in and build that relationship and send messages to your potential leads. Okay, now from here, once you sign up for TCP, and I have it here going to where they can utilize the free trial. So I'll show you guys how to use the free trial if you're going to use TCP. Well, you're going to have to use TCP in order to get this page, okay? So then we're going to go to income stream number 3. Income stream number 3 is going to be Advertising Boost. Advertising Boost is pretty much is something that's going to allow you to give away vacations to your potential business customers, to potential clients. This program here can actually be offered to anyone that has a business. So that's another thing when you're dealing with these income streams, because these programs are all unique in their own way. So they're not just for network marketers. These are for actually any type of business owner. Business owners need funnels. They need to send their customers through things. They need to be able to follow up with them. So this system works for anyone. So for everyone that's don't know what Easy One Up is, which was the first income stream, it's a digital marketing platform. It's going to pretty much it's a vault of training, and each product level has its own vault of training. It's going to teach you the ins and outs of marketing, which I go through on each video that breaks all this down. Okay, now on the next page here, this is where I kind of get into the codes and things like that. So I don't want to show that particular video because I have the codes on there, and it's going to also have the training, things like that. But I wanted to kind of show you guys the income streams that I do have in place. So you're going to get this same system. You're going to be able to get the same pages. You're going to be able to get the same capture page, the message follow-up series. You're going to be able to get everything with this particular funnel here. So if you're involved in the Conversion Pros, another thing as well, guys, you can switch these videos out. Okay, so if you wanted to shoot your own videos, brand yourself, this is what I teach everyone. definitely do that. Okay, this is just something I put together for the new person who wants to make money, you know, who don't want to get pulled all over the place, who want to really look into some companies that have been around for a very long time that can show you and make moves here. They're fairly new, but the guys have been in the game for a very long time with another business prior to this. So the name is fairly new, but everything else, guys, is been around and prove and to pretty much show you guys that you can make some money in those companies. Now again, everything ties to each other. So as you can see, this could be used as something that you leverage to get people to join your business or even to look at your business. Income stream number 2 is going to allow you to put your business on autopilot while you're out with your family. Your business is going to still work for you. Income stream number 1 is what's going to allow you to put some big money in your pocket up front, okay? And as I mentioned here, on income stream number 1, guys, for everyone that comes in at the 250 level, I'm running a special on that level. Everyone, not everyone, but I'm going to say for the next 5 that come in at the 250 level, I'm going to qualify you for the $500 level. So take advantage of that, guys. I want to set you up for Christmas, okay? So definitely take advantage of that. Now, if there's any questions or concerns, you can definitely reach out to me. Go through the funnel, reach out to me, whatever it is that you guys want to do, and we can definitely get everything locked in for us, okay? So I'm going to wrap this video up. This is your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.